Intuitive Surgical shares reached an all-time high as preliminary fourth quarter, Q4, and full year 2024 results exceeded Wall Street expectations, along with revenue projected to climb and an overall positive outlook on growth. Intuitive focuses on improving minimally invasive care through an interconnected ecosystem of products and services that focus on improving patient outcomes, patient experience, care team satisfaction, and reducing the total cost of treatment per patient episode. They bring almost 3 decades of experience in robotic-assisted surgical solutions, aiming for better outcomes and decreased variability across healthcare teams, while addressing the challenges faced by the current healthcare environment. They offer products such as robotic-assisted surgical systems like the Da Vinci Surgical System, Da Vinci X, Da Vinci Xi, Da Vinci SP, Da Vinci C, and Da Vinci S, designed for minimally invasive procedures in various specialties. These systems provide 3D HD vision, magnified views, and robotic assistance to enhance surgical precision. The Ion Endoluminal System is another product offering which focuses on diagnostic procedures like biopsies in the lung with a flexible catheter-based platform. Their technology allows for precise movements inside a patient's body, as well as filtering tremors in surgeons' hands. The company also has a range of instruments with customized tips for various surgical procedures, some of which have extended use capabilities. Additionally, they provide stapling and energy instruments such as the EndoWrist and SureForm staplers, as well as accessories like sterile drapes and vision products. Progressive learning pathways from Intuitive are tailored to various roles within healthcare, such as surgeons, physicians, OR care teams, and robotic coordinators. Their learning offerings include role-specific training pathways, learning engagements like case observations and simulation training, and learning technologies like Intuitive Learning and SimNow. These tools aim to provide a comprehensive and engaging learning experience that helps customers build technical proficiency and improve outcomes while reducing the total cost of treatment per patient episode. As for services, the company installs, repairs, and maintains 24/7 technical support and proactive system health monitoring through a network of field service engineers and distributors worldwide. They also provide comprehensive support and program assistance with services such as readiness support, maintenance support, perioperative consulting, custom hospital analytics, and market consulting optimization. These services aim to ensure customers maximize their program performance, protect their investment, and achieve operational and financial goals. Digitally speaking, there's an integrated ecosystem with services aimed at streamlining hospital performance and enhancing insights. These solutions include cloud-enabled products for secure data analysis, proactive monitoring through network-connected systems, 3D modeling services for preoperative planning and intraoperative guidance, the MyIntuitive mobile and web application for accessing program-level data, and the Intuitive Hub platform that integrates multiple applications to improve medical procedure workflows and facilitate learning. Intuitive aligns its goals with the quadruple aim, focusing on improving patient outcomes, patient experience, care team satisfaction, and lowering total treatment costs per patient episode. They state their strategy aims to create value for patients, physicians, and hospitals by offering products that enhance procedure efficacy while reducing invasiveness. Physician value is prioritized through training and ergonomic systems in order to provide hospital value by increasing surgical revenue and reducing costs in an effort to improve overall care team satisfaction with their interconnected ecosystem of products and services. Intuitive asserts minimally invasive care can help a large number of patients to receive minimally invasive treatments as an alternative to open surgeries, providing benefits like reduced pain, shorter hospital stays, and faster recovery times. Intuitive's Da Vinci procedure business is divided into 2 categories: cancer procedures and procedures for benign conditions. The company aims to provide hospitals with appealing clinical and economic solutions across various procedure complexities. Intuitive has hundreds of Ion Endoluminal systems installed in the U.S. and plans to seek clearances and approvals for the system in other markets outside the U.S. over time. They've also installed thousands of surgical systems worldwide, with surgeons using their technology to complete millions of procedures already. Products are provided through direct sales organizations in the US, Europe, China, Japan, South Korea, India, Taiwan, and Canada, as well as through distributors in other markets. Their sales organization consists of capital and clinical sales teams that educate customers on the benefits of robotic-assisted surgery or bronchoscopy and train hospital staff on using their technology. Intuitive also relies on distributors for sales in some countries, which exposes them to risks to potential loss of revenue if distributor relationships are terminated, or if there are legal issues involving lawsuits against the company's distributors, and difficulty in reestablishing market access or regulatory compliance if a distributor causes suspension of marketing authorization or certification. Their manufacturing occurs in facilities across the United States, China, Mexico, and Germany. Intuitive purchases components from numerous suppliers while maintaining stringent quality standards. Some components are provided by sole or single-source suppliers. They primarily use purchase orders instead of long-term supply agreements and keep limited finished goods inventory to meet demand. Intuitive notes competition comes from open surgery, conventional minimally invasive surgery, MIS, drug therapies, radiation treatment, and other emerging surgical approaches. They explain success depends on continuous innovation, quality, reliability, and educating hospitals, surgeons, and patients about the benefits of robotic-assisted medical procedures using their products. They also face competition from companies developing new approaches and products in the MIS market. The introduction of new robotically controlled products adds to the competition, especially with larger companies like Johnson & Johnson and Medtronic entering the field. On the topic of the regulation of medical devices, it varies by country and is subject to change, meaning the vast opportunity of international expansion must be achieved through navigating complex compliance regimes. The United States has the FDA, which regulates medical devices under the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. In the European Union, there is the Medical Devices Directive and the Medical Device Regulation, with CE marking being required for placement in the market. Other countries have their own regulatory agencies and requirements. These regulations can affect a company's ability to generate revenue if they are unfavorable or not met, which could result in sanctions, fines, or prevention from marketing products in certain regions. Compliance with these various international standards is necessary to ensure that medical devices meet quality and safety requirements before being sold on the market. Intuitive must also take into consideration regulations that can affect healthcare providers and reimbursement rates, such as the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, ACA, American Taxpayer Relief Act of 2012, Medicare Access and Chip Reauthorization Act of 2015, MACRA, and state-level pricing control measures, as well as similar reforms being adopted internationally, like the EU Regulation 2021 and 2282 on HTA, aiming to boost cooperation among member states in assessing health technologies and providing a foundation for joint clinical assessments. With all these different acts and statutes, regulatory compliance will undoubtedly be a key driver of success as much as technological progress and market acceptance. For more on Intuitive Surgical and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.